I come in the uptown Altamonte. Here is it, so nice park. Okay. We are in the park. Explore new park. Long time ago we have here like a dog show. Frankly and friends, I think. Go for a walk a little bit. See the park, I like those. I think they have here. Now it's sunset actually. Looks like they do something, some work. Okay, I think of park straight. Oh, far away the park. Far away. Papчик. Tiffany finally will have a nice time. It's always hustle with try to find the car, try to buy the car, try to all the... Looks like there's a store here. It's nice. Oh, excuse me. Of course, park another way. In every direction. But at least you know the area there. I can't believe it. Okay. So sunset there. Oh my goodness. Can you believe it, Pop? Tiffany, let's go there. Nice gazebo. It's a nice area, so you can possibly have some snack here or something. Wow, I love it. Yeah, wow. Planter box. I love it. The planter box. Fountain. Wow, it's nice. Okay, let's go to the park. Aye! Something, a drip on my back. Baby, don't run. Well, maybe you can run, but there is a steel road. But you can go there in the car. I see the cars going there. Why we park there?
That's a road. It's not a park.
So you cannot park there, right?
No.
Tiffy, let's go, Pop. Pop. I know there is a tons of here is the music and where do you go, Pop? Oh, here is the sunset. Nice. Okay. We're just looking at sunset, Tiffany. Maybe we can go like this in a Trader Joe's or not? No? Where is the road those go? Where those roads go? It's nice. Tiffany, maybe take her because she started to sniff all the posts. Nice tree. There are a lot of speakers and music comes out from there, so it's like I have to put music here in the video. I think you also have a restroom here, public restroom. It's nice. Hello, birds. Uh-oh. Wait. Oh, dear. I'm looking and see even dog another one. How beautiful great myrtle. Wow. Wow, it's so huge. Probably a very old one. How old those great myrtle? Crane's Roost Park rules. Should they all the time have your concerts or something? Concerts. Tiffany, you enjoy the walk? So, a little bit walk, but I think we're heading back because we need to go on Trader Joe's, and Trader Joe's close at 9 o'clock, and before we come there it will be, it's almost 8. We have only 1 hour. Should go, yep, it's nice palm, it's nice palm. I like it, Park Hiola. That is beautiful. So many swing. Hello, I needed the video. Oh, look, you wagging tail. You like Tiffany. You're so cute. I say hello to this tattoo. Wagging tail. And Tiffany wagging tail. Seriously. Hello. See if I can tail like a dog. That's cute. Aroma food. Very wet. Not slippery, I don't want to go there. Yeah, very slippery, especially my shoes. Let's just leave there. See if we can. I belong together. What did you find there, Bob? Tiffany! 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 Your boy can tell, so you hear me, Tiffany! Tiffany! I know you wanna go there, but it's not the ocean.